Current Affair MCQs 2025 Global Affairs. Number 1. Which country became a member of BRICS in January 2025? Option A. Turkey, B. Indonesia, C. Mexico, D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is option B. Indonesia. Number 2. Which two countries joined the Schengen area in March 2025? Option A. Croatia and Bulgaria, B. Romania and Bulgaria, C. Poland and Romania, D. Romania and Croatia. The correct answer is option B. Romania and Bulgaria. Number 3. Which nation formally joined the International Criminal Court in 2025? Option A. Ukraine, B. Russia, C. USA, D. Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is option A. Ukraine. Number 4. Donald Trump was sworn in as US President for which term in 2025? Option A. First term, B. Third term, C. Second non-consecutive term, D. Fourth term. The correct answer is option C. Second non-consecutive term. Number 5. Which country topped the Global Terrorism Index 2025? Option A. Afghanistan, B. Nigeria, C. Pakistan, D. Burkina Faso. The correct answer is option D. Burkina Faso. Number 6. India Affairs. What is the name of India's 58th Tiger Reserve declared in 2025? Option A. Noradehi, B. Madhav National Park, C. Kuno, D. Melghat. The correct answer is option B. Madhav National Park. Number 7. Which AI powered tool was launched under PMFBY for crop loss assessment? Option A. CropTrack, B. Agri AI, C. Cropic, D. Kisan Board. The correct answer is option C. Cropic. Number 8. The Eurasian otter was recently spotted after 30 years in which Indian region? Option A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Eastern Ghat, C. Kashmir Valley, D. Gujarat. The correct answer is option C. Kashmir Valley. Number 9. Which app was launched to help students access educational material via India Post? Option A. DigiMail, B. Gyan Post, C. EduPostal, D. Shiksha Seva. The correct answer is option B. Gyan Post. Number 10. Which state launched India's first AI-based anti-cheating system for exams in 2025? Option A. Kerala, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is option C. Rajasthan. Economy and Finance. Number 11. According to World Bank's 2025 report, carbon pricing covers what percent of global emission? Option A 10%, B 18%, C 28%, D 35%. The correct answer is option C 28%. Number 12. Which institution launched the digital token BIMcoin? Option A JBIMS, B BIMTech, C IIM Indore, D IIM Ahmedabad. The correct answer is option B BIMTECH, BIMTech. Number 13. India's GDP growth rate for FY 2024 to 2025 as per RBI projection is option A 6.2%, B 6.5%, C 7%, D 7.2%. The correct answer is option C 7.0%. Number 14. Which Indian state topped the Export Preparedness Index 2025? Option A Gujarat, B Tamil Nadu, C Maharashtra, D Karnataka. The correct answer is option A Gujarat. Number 15. Which country surpassed China as India's top trading partner in 2025? Option A USA, B UAE, C Germany, D Japan. The correct answer is option A USA. Number 16. Science and Technology. Which company released the AI models O3 and O4 Mini in 2025? Option A Microsoft, B OpenAI, C Meta, D Google DeepMind. The correct answer is option B OpenAI. Number 17. Which spacecraft completed the first human polar retrograde orbit in April 2025? Option A Artemis 2, B Fram 2, C Starship Alpha, D Voyager X. The correct answer is option B Fram 2. Number 18. The EAST reactor in China set a record by sustaining plasma for how long? Option A 120 seconds, B 200 seconds, C 403 seconds, D 520 seconds. The correct answer is option C 403 seconds. Number 19. Which Indian institute launched Gaja Bot, a firefighting AI robot? Option A IIT Delhi, B DRDO, C IIT Madras, D NDRF. The correct answer is option C IIT Madras. Number 20. Which university in the US developed the world's smallest injectable pacemaker in 2025? Option A MIT, B Harvard, C Stanford, D Northwestern University. The correct answer is option D Northwestern University. Number 21. Who won the 2025 Australian Open men's singles? Option A Novak Djokovic, B Jannik Sinner, C Carlos Alcaraz, D Danny Medvedev. The correct answer is option B Jannik Sinner. Number 22. Which city hosted the Special Olympics World Winter Games 2025? Option A Turin, B Oslo, C Vancouver, D Beijing. The correct answer is option A Turin. Number 23. Which team won IPL 2025? Option A Mumbai Indians, B Kolkata Knight Riders, C Chennai Super Kings, D Rajasthan Royals. The correct answer is option B Kolkata Knight Riders. Sports and Cultures 24. Which Indian was appointed chair of the 2000 of G20 Digital Economy Task Force in 2025? Option A Nandan Nilikani, B Rajiv Chandrasekhar, C Ashwini Vishnu, D Rohan Verma. The correct answer is option C Ashwini Vishnu. Number 25. India's official theme for the 2025 Republic Day parade was option A Digital Bharat, B Women Empowerment, C Viksit Bharat at 2047, D Green Energy Nation. The correct answer is option C Viksit Bharat at 2047. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.